Two friends, same age, same education, same job. And today, both received their first salary, $1,000. They were happy. They felt proud. They felt successful. But they made one small decision that changed their entire life. The first stickman thought, I worked so hard. I deserve to enjoy. So he bought a new phone, new clothes, new shoes. He spent all his money. He was happy, but only for a moment. The second stickman thought differently. He said, this money is not just salary. This is my opportunity. He bought books. He bought courses. He bought knowledge. He invested in himself. While others were sleeping, he was learning. While others were scrolling, he was growing. 6 months later, life changed. The first stickman was still waiting for next salary, still living the same life, still stuck. No growth, no progress, only expenses and stress. The second stickman was different now. He had new skills, new confidence, new opportunities. Soon, he got a better job, better income, better life. One day, the poor mindset stickman asked, we started at the same point. How did you move ahead? The rich mindset stickman smiled and said, I didn't spend my money. I invested it. I didn't buy things to look rich. I built myself to become rich. And this is the truth. Poor mindset focuses on spending. Rich mindset focuses on growing. Poor mindset wants comfort. Rich mindset accepts struggle. Poor mindset lives for today. Rich mindset builds for tomorrow. Remember this. Your salary does not decide your future. Your mindset does. Small decisions create big differences. Your future is created by what you do today. So ask yourself, are you spending your life or investing it? Because one day, your future self will either thank you or regret you.